Welcome to the 33 million dirham penthouse in the heart of Marina with 360 views of the entire area. This penthouse is over 6,700 square feet, massive. I call it a SkyVilla with extremely luxurious finishing. Let me take you through the entire property so you can see exactly why people are so interested in this one. So welcome. You'll see pretty quickly when you walk through the door, the security camera will say something quite unique. So just walk through. So facial recognition to enter your house. Of course, you can't expect anything else from a penthouse that's 33 million dirhams. They went the extra mile here with literally everything. So walking into the main living area, you'll see that everything is beautiful. The theme here is designer, and it really is beautiful. Everything's leather finishing. Of course, there's some suede over there as well, but it's a mixture of different Italian designer brands. However, with that being said, the overall design was by one specific designer, and their name is Ekru. Fantastic finishing. As you can tell, they did not skip any detail. They wanted to make sure that the entire place felt premium, because it is premium. We're in one of the best locations. You have to take advantage of this opportunity, and honestly, it's amazing. I can't even believe what I'm seeing. The first time I walked through here, I was mind blown. So you can see there's beautiful art on the wall as well. The curtains are fantastic. They're of course remote controlled as well, so you don't have to manually drag them open and close them. With this beautiful sliding door, you'll see that this is probably one of the best views of Marina. You have the yacht club here. If you've ever walked on Marina, you definitely know this place right here. It's a very popular area. A lot of restaurants nearby, a lot of entertainment nearby, a lot of hotels nearby, and a lot of tourists nearby for any family who wants to visit. And of course, if you take a look over here to our left, you'll see that there's address JBR, one of the most luxurious condos in all of Marina and in Dubai as well. And there's Dubai Eye as well over there. And of course, you can see the full sea view when you are outside. And when you come into this penthouse, you cannot miss this amazing bar. Of course, when you have a property like this, you will be hosting a lot of people. You will be entertaining a lot of guests. And this is a huge wow factor. Of course, you have two fridges here so that you can cool your wine or drinks or beverages. And as you can tell, they have beautiful marble onyx black and white backdrop here. It's fantastic. It really puts the entire thing together. I really love how it lights up. And you also have a beautiful seating area. Of course, everything is leather as well, matching the theme of the entire property. And when you walk over here, you'll see that there's a beautiful dining room table. It's massive. I said you would entertain a lot of guests, and it's pretty clear that you have the capacity for that. That's for sure. And behind this table, you'll see that there's another balcony. One thing that you'll see in this penthouse is there are so many different balconies throughout this penthouse. It's insane. If you're living here, I doubt that you'll ever use all of them because there's so many. So let's take a look at this one as well. Beautiful views of Marina again. And the best thing about this penthouse is the balconies are extremely private. Look above us. There is no other balcony. So very nice. Of course, you can enjoy the beautiful view of Dubai Eye, address JBR, the sunset view as well. Gorgeous. When you walk into the kitchen, you'll see right away that it is gorgeous. The finishing here is amazing, and the equipment is fantastic as well. So for the fridge, we have Siemens. For the cooker, it's Smeg. The cafe machine is Miel. The microwave is Smeg, and the washing machine is also Miel. So you can tell that they did not skip anything here, right? You take a look at this push to open, beautiful pantry for dry goods, beautifully designed. Keep everything tucked away. And then over here, you'll see that there is an amazing coffee machine. Here's the first oven whenever you're baking small goods. But of course, this is not it. Don't worry. There's a second oven for when you want to cook bigger things. You can take a look at it as well. Beautiful. This is Smeg, and a beautiful gas top stove. And again, another balcony, like I kept mentioning throughout. You know, you can't avoid having beautiful views when you're here because you're in such a good location, right? So right from your kitchen, you can see address JBR, you can see the Marina, you can see the beautiful sea, the Dubai Eye. You don't miss a beautiful sight when you're staying here, that's for sure. And behind this door, there is a fridge, and you wouldn't even know because they've made the entire thing look so seamless. It looks just like a regular pantry door, but it's not, it's actually a fridge. And the same thing here, you have your dishwasher made by Miel. And this is one thing that I personally like. This sink is one big sink. I really don't like it whenever there's two separate sinks. Of course, to each their own, but I like that a lot. And of course, plenty of storage space throughout the entire kitchen. Now, when we take a look over here, you have one sink And if you take a look here, you might think that this is a mirror. It's really not a mirror. There's actually another sink here as well. One bathroom and another sink for guests or whoever if they need to wash their hands. So over here you have your first bedroom. This is actually really a maid's room, so we won't look too far into it, but it is quite spacious. When I first walked in here, I thought that it actually was a bedroom, to be honest with you. So walking over here, beautiful decoration, beautiful marble. Again, Italian design. Can't go wrong with that, that's for sure. I really love this bench right here. It's fantastic. I love leather. It's one of my favorite things, to be honest. And then when you walk in here, you have a walk-in closet, and then you have, again, another ensuite bathroom. And again, another balcony. You can't avoid balconies in this property. When you're paying 33 million dirhams, you're gonna get the best of the best. They don't skip out on anything, that's for sure. Beautiful decoration, beautiful mirrors. It really gives it a nice sense of hominess, I can call it. And in this room, you have I like to call this a study. You, of course, could turn this into a bedroom. It is big enough. This is a study / an office. Great chairs. Again, they did not skip out on any of the furniture. Everything is extremely high quality. And of course, you have another balcony here as well. Now, walking to this next bedroom, you'll see that there's another bathroom here with a shower. And let's walk in here. If you can take a look at this right here, this is how you turn on the lights. So just take a look under the closet there. And I'm gonna click this button. And just like that, everything lights up. So very beautiful. You know, the finishing again is fantastic. And this is an amazing place. It's like a glam room for your wife or your girlfriend. And of course, another bathroom in here as well. Now this bathroom is special because it has a tub, and it's not just a regular tub. It's huge. It's so big, and personally, I love baths. So they can get my approval big time on that one specifically. Of course, the entire penthouse too, but that specifically, I love. Now look at this finishing here. This is all wood. It's not leather, it's not plastic. It is real wood. Beautiful. And again, of course, you have another balcony here, and you have another balcony in here. So this room has two balconies. It feels like it's never ending, really. It feels like I'm just walking into a maze and it never ends. Now, walking through to this next bedroom, if you take a look at the left here, there is a steel door. And if you open it, you'll see that you can see the entrance to your penthouse. So it's huge. This entire floor is dedicated to you. It's not for anyone else. When they say penthouse, they really mean penthouse. Now, walking into this next room, again, you have another glam room. The lights turn on automatically, and another huge tub. I can't believe the size of these tubs. I don't know if I could show you in proportion, but this is massive. You could fit like 3-4 people in there. Not that you would do that, but you could. Now, walking into here, you have another beautiful place to work. I can call this a kind of study. Great finishing again, luxurious design. Everything just feels so nice here. And this beautiful couch, I haven't seen a couch like this in my entire life. It's so beautiful, it's huge. It looks super cozy. And if you take a look at these tables, you can tell how beautiful they are as well. Again, they did not skip on anything. And if you look behind these couches, another balcony. That's a common theme in this place, balconies, because they want you to take advantage of the fact that yes, you have 360 views, but you can actually enjoy them by stepping outside and not just looking through a window. And again, another balcony here as well. So, like I said, they did not skip out on anything. Now, this bed puts this entire room together, in my opinion. It is gorgeous. Now, take a look at these nightstands. I don't even want to call them nightstands. It's more of like a piece of art rather than just a nightstand, with this gorgeous light here as well. I really love the design. You can tell that this is high quality Italian design. It's not just designed by anyone. Now, let's go over to the next bedroom. We'll take a right over here. You have your security system there as well, of course. And when you're walking through here, you'll immediately see there's another bathtub. They did not skip out on anything. And look at this huge stand-up shower. You literally feel like you're getting rained on if you're taking a shower here. There's another design where when you use the sink, the water just flows through it and there's no little drain. So it's not ugly. It's really well designed. I love that touch. It makes it really feel luxurious. Now walking here, beautiful art hung on the wall here. It's really gorgeous. It makes you feel like you're in an art museum, because to be honest, the finishing here is fantastic. Now, moving forward into this last bedroom, not last room, but the last bedroom, you have again another beautiful design here, fantastic bed. You have nice chairs, and again, of course, a gorgeous view of Marina up there as well. where you can take a look at the city and take a look at what your penthouse has to offer. Now, I said that was the last bedroom, but not the last room. Now, let me show you why. Because if you don't want to go outside to barbecue and you don't want to go outside to sunbathe, well, you can do it inside of your penthouse. Now, let me just show you. There's a beautiful dining area right here, but moving forward past that, past this structure here, you'll see that there's a barbecue. Now, I want to mention that yes, this is here, but it's not here just for show. You can quite literally barbecue in your penthouse indoors. Tell me if you've ever heard of that before. I haven't personally. And then over here you have a beautiful lounging area where you can soak up the sun. It shines from over here in the morning, and at night the sun sets on that side where we started off this video. So you can sunbathe right here and take advantage of your own lounging area inside your very own penthouse. And if you were tired of your penthouse for whatever reason, you have the most beautiful infinity pool on the top floor of this building. So you can take advantage, again, of fantastic, in this case, 180, 220-ish degree view of the marina. Your penthouse has better views than the highest elevation point on this building. Nice lounging area here for people looking to sunbathe, but look at that view again, fantastic. And one other thing that I want to mention too is this pool is actually quite deep, which is pretty rare because usually pools are shallow in Dubai for whatever reason, but this one is not. And again, look at this beautiful view. It feels like you're about to fall off the edge. But don't worry, this strong glass is here to protect you. But if you look past the glass off into the distance, you'll see the sun is setting and it's a beautiful pink, and it becomes more and more pink as time goes on, of course, as it sets. Moving forward into the gym, which will be one of the last things we're looking at here, you'll see that it is very well equipped. You have a lot of dumbbells here, you have yoga mats, you have a bench here, so if you want to use your dumbbells to do chest press. Great machines here. This is all done by Techno Gym. Of course, you know that brand, high quality. And of course, you have more machines here as well. And if you wanted to, you can go and enjoy the view again. So you can go out here and walk all around and enjoy some beautiful, in this case, again, another 180 views. And on that side, upstairs, where the pool is, you have another 180 views. So again, they did not skip out on the balconies here. They wanted to make sure that everyone has a fantastic view in this building. Now, instead of having to go to a spa, just come into this changing room here where you don't only have to change, because you can take advantage of a really nice steam room and a sauna, which is literally brand new. So you can take a look over here, and it's quite large as well, so it's pretty spacious. And here is the steam room right here. So you can take a look at that. So now coming back around to where we started this video, we're finally back in the living room after completing the 360 tour of this entire penthouse. They didn't skip out on any of the amenities that they could have offered with this penthouse. They really took advantage of the opportunity to make something fantastic here. My personal favorite is this view. Comment down below what your favorite thing about this penthouse is. Of course, if you want more information about it, you can book a call using the link down below, or you can also send us an email using the information down below. We would be happy to tell you more about this property.